Hi, in the previous exercise we have learned to use the built-in datetime module to capture the current date and time using the now method available in the datetime class. Datetime class is incorporated in the datetime module. In the same way, the date class, this class, is incorporated in the datetime module as the datetime class. In the date class, we find the toDate method. With that method or function, we get the current date, only the current date. With now, we get both the date and time. By default, these two methods, now and toDate, format the current date and time using this format. First appear in the datetime, first appears the date, then the time. We can also see that the separator for the date is the hyphen symbol. In the date we find in the time we find four parts: the hour, the minute, the second, and the nanoseconds. That is the default format. We can change that. I will copy this part of the code, copy, and then go to this exercise. In the file for this exercise, we execute and we get this default format. We can change that using the strftime method. So first I will add a print statement to get a blank line. Okay, create a new variable. I will call it result. From datetime variable, I will invoke the strftime this function. In the argument, I will use some formatters to change the appearance of the date. For example, I will show first the time. The orders, I will first include a percent symbol. The order, if I execute this code, wait, print and pass result, we get only the time, specifically the number of hours. I will show also the minute here. Okay, the separator will be the colon. Again, I will use a percent, the minute. I execute. Now we get also the quantity of minutes for this order. The seconds. The separator will be the colon, percent, x in uppercase. Yep. We are getting the number of hours, minutes, and seconds. From the time, I will get only that parts. I will omit the nanoseconds. Okay, comma, and now I will format the date, percent, year. The separator will be forward slash next, percent, month, and finally the date, percent, the date. Okay, I will execute again this code, and this is the result we have obtained from that format using the strftime function. Observe, the separator in this case is the forward slash. We have specified that separator in instead of the hyphen separator in the default format of the datetime object that we get with now. We are changing the appearance of the result.